This upgrade represents a massive leap forward in efficiency. The precision of this stainless steel equipment allows us to increase output by nearly 30%.
This vast reservoir provides crystal clear water to the facility downstream, a delicate balance between nature and industry.
As you can see on the readout, the pressure is stable. This is critical for the multi-layer media, the gravel, sand, and activated carbon working effectively.
The diagnostics are showing an anomaly in the UVT readings.
I see the spike. Adjusting the dosage parameters immediately.
Scanning. Authorized access granted.
These are the building blocks of flavor: precious vanilla, aromatic cinnamon, the elusive cola nut, and vibrant citrus oils.
Blending flavors is both an art and a science. We use the latest technology to ensure consistency, but it always comes down to the palate.
Control, this is Unit 3. Approaching Checkpoint Delta with Package 7X.
Copy that, Unit 3. Corridor clear, proceed.
Observe the precision. A single bottle of Coca-Cola accelerates through filling, capping, and labeling at incredible speed.
Power usage is steady at 2.3 megawatts. We're proud of our 34% renewable energy rate and 82.
First, we assess the viscosity and the exact shade of the caramel. This ensures consistency across all batches.
Looking sharp, everyone.
Making the QC department proud, Sarah.
A look inside our massive recycling center, where we process used bottles using clean energy from the wind turbines and extensive solar arrays.
We believe that sustainability drives progress. By integrating these solutions, we're proving that a green economy is possible today. As you can see, we're 68% towards our 2030 target. We've reduced emissions by 1.2 million tons.
Morning, ready for the route.
Absolutely, it's a great day to be driving electric.
For me, the past 18 years have been a journey of passion. It's the balance of science and art that makes this work so rewarding.
As you can see, the robotic arms handle the precise placement, allowing our team to focus on quality control. It streamlined the entire process. This isn't just about energy, it's about our future. We have a moral obligation to protect this planet, and we're proving that it's possible.
Our success is built on the strength and diversity of our incredible team, driving innovation at every level.
We hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at the Coca-Cola facility. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.